Hi guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. It's been a while. How have you been? It's been a minute, as it always is, since I filmed my last video. I just wanted to have a little sit down, be a little cozy, and just maybe film a little crafting with you guys. I've been wanting to crochet something for a very long time, and I always have these little crochet cravings. Crochet cravings, alliterations, we love our alliterations here. I've been having these crochet cravings. Everything I want to start seems like too big of a project, and it feels like I should film it. I wind up not doing it, and I wind up not filming it. So it's a me problem. It's crazy storming outside. It's the wind is howling, it's everywhere, and we have the whole night ahead of ourselves. So let's grab our crochet stuff or grab whatever crafts you want to do. And this is gonna be a really short, I hope it's gonna be a really short video. I just want to crochet something small, so I'm just gonna do a few little bag charms. No, I'm gonna do little, what are they? They're those little plushies that you make with crochet. So I want to do a little flower, and if I have time I want to do a little strawberry. So I've never done plushies before. This is my first time. I don't know if they're gonna work with the yarn that I have, but let's just wing it. I'm pretty sure I can do a flower at least. It'll be fine. I'm excited to see how long it takes me. What time is it? I can't even know. It is 9:23. Let's start at 9:30 and see how long it takes me to do a cute little flower. And then if I have time, we'll do a strawberry. If I can even do a strawberry, I don't know. That being said, let's go grab your drink. I have my water. Make sure you hydrate. I got a new camera. I don't know if you noticed. I'm actually filming in the dark, so I don't know if this footage is gonna be good or not. Let's see. Bismillah. Now I have a viewfinder, so I keep looking at the viewfinder, and I'm sorry if I'm not making direct eye contact with you, but you're in my heart, so it should be fine. I'm excited for a fun night of cozy crochet cravings. Boom! I don't know, I have a talent. Okay, so grab your drinks, grab your hooks, grab your yarn if you're crocheting with me, and if not, just grab whatever project you want, and let's have a cozy night in. Let's start the video. Wow, I can't stand. Let's start the video. Woo! So we're starting off the video strong with some really crispy, really teeny ASMR of me fixing my little table for this shot. A little ASMR. I'm really sorry, this is really just not good, but it's gonna be over soon, I promise. So I decided to make these back charms because my cousin got this really cute maroon backpack, and she has this fluffy yarn pom-pom with it. So I just wanted to kind of match that energy and also make some round pink fluffy stuff. And that's why I chose this color scheme, and I think this is gonna go really well with the maroon bag as well as the pom-pom. And I think she's gonna like it. I hope so, inshallah. So the flower that I'm working on, it's pretty simple. It's just made up of a bunch of puff stitches and a few chains, and you just kind of make them into a little flower, no duh, but it's pretty simple. It's basically puff stitches. It's a lot of puff stitches. It's 5 to 6 puff stitches, and they're big chunky boys. It's cute. It was really fast to work up, and I'm pretty happy with how fast it was. And I think it turned out pretty cute. I might try a 5-petal one later, but I think 6 petals are nice. What do you guys think? And then I decided to attempt the strawberry, and I thought it would have been simpler. Honestly, it took me about 4 to 5 tries before I got it down. I had to keep frogging it, and I just it was difficult, and I don't know if it was because of the yarn, I don't know if it was my hook size, but something wasn't adding up with the pattern. So I wound up having to improvise a little bit, so it became a little rounder than the final result on the pattern. So yeah, I still like it. It's cute. You're not gonna be able to see it until the end of the video because my camera died, but you'll see. So it is a new day, the sun is up, the wind is gone, and it's just beautiful and sunny, and I'm loving the weather. I'm almost done with my charms, but I just wanted to add a few finishing touches. So I decided that the flower needed a little bit of an extra pizzazz. So I decided to add some leaves the same way I did the leaves for the strawberries on like the little head of the strawberry. So I'm doing the same thing and I'm adding a few leaves. I just feel like a little pop of green would really accent this flower nicely. It's just like a little combination of chains and single crochets in the same stitch. I am not showing you guys a tutorial because I already have the tutorials linked down below, so you can check them out. They explain it really well, so I didn't feel the need to explain it again. Look at that cute little leaf. It looks adorable. I love it. I love him. Fun fact about me is that whenever I have coffee, I almost always need like something to chew on when I'm having coffee. Like I need like a biscuit, I need like cake, I need something that I can dip in my coffee and then I can have it, because I feel like just the coffee isn't enough. I know people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, just coffee isn't enough for you, but hey, like I like what I like, and I like a little bit of biscuit with my coffee. I like a little ta with my cha, if you guys get what I mean. So yeah, I've been really frustrated with like content creation right now. It's because I don't know, it's just been so overwhelming and so frustrating because I don't know, I have so many things to do and I feel like I should be filming all of it, but then when I think about filming it, I just wind up not doing any of it. So you know what I mean? Like it's a lot of work and it's just so overwhelming. Man, content creation is hard. I don't know how people do it. Like it's oh well, I feel like this video is just gonna be me ranting, and honestly I don't know, like if I'm left to like just voice over my videos, I feel like I would just be complaining all day. So oops, sorry, I didn't mean to like dump my problems on you, but you're here now. Thanks for coming. Look at these little cuties. I kind of don't want to give them away now, but I'll just make new ones for myself. Yeah, I'll do that. We are on day 2 of what was supposed to be a one-night crochet thing, but we're finally done. I am so happy with them. They are so cute. They're so tiny. I love them so much. Look how precious. I don't know if you can see. Look, I really hope my cousin likes them. We got a little strawberry. I did not expect to love the strawberry this much, but oh my gosh, look how cute. I am in love. It's so tiny. It's not tiny, it's like the perfect size. It looks like a bonbon, and I'm just gonna, it's so cute. I love it so much. I love him. I love his little leaves. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see. Look at him. I really hope my cousin likes these. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like these? I'm gonna be linking down all the tutorials that I followed. I didn't make tutorials because I don't need to add to them. I already followed some perfectly great tutorials. I will link them down below. But yeah, okay, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed cozy crocheting with me. This was so much fun. I really enjoyed like making smaller videos. Let's see how long it takes me to edit this though. I really enjoyed making something that I'm able to film in like a day. This took me 2 days, but like you get it. I'm looking forward to making more content like this, so let me know if this is the kind of content you like. I have some like long form content waiting. I have the footage ready, but who's gonna compile it and edit it? It's too much. But inshallah, please make dua for me. That would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being on my journey. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. Let me know if you have any thoughts on what I should be making, of what kind of content you want to see, what kind of videos you want to see. Say goodbye to strawberry and the flower. Let me know what you think about these little babies. Inshallah, I'll see you soon. Bye.